And then let's sound off. What the hell? It's still loading. What the hell?
Yes. Yes, okay.
Happy Halloween! They're starting what? 3 days, but mine is 1 day. Tung tung sahur! Fume. So I brought these mods. A brick pillar. These things, these concrete on bricks are literally just dishes. Dang it, why did I do this?
Kita nyo na mga kababayan. Ayun po, malinaw na desisyon ng Supreme Court. Actually, hindi pala desisyon, guidelines na nilabas. Tama rin yung punto nila na hindi na magkokomento si mga Supreme Court sa issue ni kasi lalabas. Ano man nangyayari?
Dang it, I just got laggy things.
Always with the care that gets you there.
Auto ammo. Bubble, look at that. I have this My Singing Monsters mod. Rebro. You made me lag when I was spawning you. Ding ding. Burp burp. Tung tung so hard. How the hell did he do this?
Ng Pilipinas. Feeling ko, ganun ang ginawa nitong tarantadong gobyerno na ito.
I'm upset.
Wala na kaming pakialam whether it is true or not true. The point here,
why? How
they do wala na sa
this?
ilalim ng Pilipinas. So, mag-decision man ng Supreme Court na mali yan, illegal yan, wala na kayo magagawa kasi nandun na sa ibang bansa. Diba? Wala silang pakialam. Ganyan ang gobyerno natin.
Chicken.
Bastos na,
Chicken
diktator na. Pero someday pagbabayaran niyo yung mga animal. Yan ang totoo. Someday pagbabayaran niyo, akala ninyo ganyan-ganyan lang yan.
Slow because this
Lahat ng
is so
gagawin mo
laggy.
kasalanan sa mundo na ito pagbabayaran mo
If I
animal
take the stable ropes, it might be a little laggy. I'm at 9 and 0 FPC.
Pero pagbabayaran mo yan in the future, kung hindi man dito sa mundo na ito sa impyerno. Kaya
I'm
nga
gonna
sana,
drive this.
may punto rin naman na sana ilabas pa rin yung decision. Kasi nga, it would somehow
Chicken stars! Chicken stars!
para bagang magiging basyan ng edukasyon ng mga abogado. Although this is very clear. Yung nilabas ng Supreme Court, napakalinaw na po. Mali ang pagpapadala kay Pangulong Duterte sa ICC. Palakpakan natin.
Imagine imagine this guy didn't know he was hitting people. He was asleep driving
Naglabas din.
for some reason.
Naglabas din ang desisyon.
He started killing people and kids. And started killing people who had a family.
Ayan. Basahin natin sa kanilang website.
But he started to crash into a tomato guy.
Tungkol ito doon sa komento.
And at last,
Nagbigay daw
his
siya.
head survived. But he got thrown away after he got crashed by a car. And his head
ito po yung mayor
trying to
ang nagsulat nito.
explode.
Weni Rafalo Roman. Nais ko pong magbigay linaw sa naging pahayag ni Vice Ganda sa It's Showtime episode
Boing, boing.
October 24, 2025.
There's a river.
Donasyon sa
Beat
Bagakay
Factory.
Elementary School na kumalat sa social
Melon robot. Hello.
Sabi na bulok ang
Boing.
at walang mga reading materials. nais ko pong bigyan.
how to make a stupid
Na wala pong
melon.
kinalaman
First,
si Miss Heart Evangelista
gotta do this.
sa isyong ito.
split.
Oh,
Him.
Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero.
Bro, what the hell? I just broke his bones.
Dumalaw po sa Bagakay Elementary School si Vice Ganda noong September 26,
And second, you need to switch the head.
At po siya na
And then you
magbibigay
need
ng donasyon
a
sa
limb
paaralan. Ang
detector.
unang donasyon ay
Hello! You stupid crackhead! You're a bastard! Get out of here, mother freaker!
Pinagmalaki mo pa, 50,000?
Bro broke his...
Mahirap ka.
Bro's trying to break his bones. And here's how you can make a stupid melon.
Kung mahirap
Hello, I'm from Tung Tung Sahur World. Stop saying Tung Tung Sahur, I like it! And you always say that!
ka lang ng 100,000,
That's it, I'm
50,000,
having 1,000 bombs!
50,000. May malaking bagay yun. May million-million
And I'm having a proper bada big dinner!
nyo. Tapos, na pala, ipiplit. Ang ginasyon. Kadiri naman.
How are these black things?
Ikaw na. Pwede ba suli ko na lang yan? Plates lang yan, tas
You know,
ipagyayabang
making
niya,
a Tung Tung
50,000 lang pala.
video. Now, why are you done?
Pwede, pakisoli na lang. Ako na lang magbibigay sa inyo. Mayor. Tangina, ipagyayabang niya pa, 50,000 lang pala. Sinundan ito ng karagdagan doon
I
sa
add
yun.
this, but when I add this, when I add that,
ano ka kasi,
when I add
nangunguna ka
this
kaagad,
picture
may
that
karagdagan
has
donasyon.
me
Magkano
in
ba
the
ito?
in the picture, it just puts a melon. Hello, I am real.
17.
Hello, I'm a real surgeon. Shut up! I am recording, stupid bastard.
17,000?
Foxy Cola. Brown Bria Bomb.
Hindi ko siya sinasabi. Again ha, depende kasi yan sa kalalagayan mo. Eh kung ang sahod mo 17,000 lang, 15,000 lang, malaking bagay 17,000. Pero kung sumasahod ka ng milyon-milyon, lalo na sa pag-endorse mo ng mga online dyan, 17,000. Ang kabuuan niyan, diskriminasyon
I can't destroy this motherfucker.
hayop. Ang malaki mo,
Bro, this can't break.
pinagmalaki mo pa, 67,000 lang pala.
67, 67.
Ako, nananawagan ako kay Mayor Wenny Rafalo Romano. Nananawagan ako sa iyo, Mayor. Pwede pa na lang yan pinigay ni Vice Ganda. Papalitan ko na lang. Sige na, para hindi na magyabang lang. 7,000 lang pala binigay.
No, it's Whiteout Survival. Always,
At ang naging
people
proyekto
are
ay
always like,
pagsasaayos ng bintana, pinto, pagplaster ng dingding, makeshift classroom, paglagay ng tiles,
keep
isang comfort room,
always
at pagkabit ng
having
internet
this
at
Whiteout like a cooler bear. It says it's Whiteout Survival. How do polar, like a woman saying, how do polar bears fear the bullets?
Naayos po ang
Global
makeshift
warming?
classroom na
No,
imbisado
it's Whiteout Survival.
mula sa MOOE o Special Education Fund ng
I just wasted 10 seconds of your life.
Meron na pong permanenteng classroom na galing sa DepEd.
Ay. Who the hell?
So para pala si Trillanes ito.
Weep!
Kasi sinabi niyo,
Bro, that's fake one! It's cloud!
fake news ka pala, Vice Ganda. Gago!
This is cloud when I
Vice
just
Ganda,
broke it.
napakalat ng fake news, oh. Meron na daw paaralan noon. Meron na mga permanenteng classroom. At kumpleto mga aklat at supplementary reading materials na required po ng kagawaran. Sa katunayan, noong May 11, 2023, inilunsad dito ng DepEd sa Sorsogon ang reading program na Project Target. Kaya meron na mga
It just explode to a near. It can hurt a melon.
2023.
By the way, on Minecraft.
Nagbigay na daw pala dyan yung Project Target. Sandali, sino ba ang DepEd secretary nun? Vice ganda, kadiri ka. Vice ganda,
Hey, yo!
papakalat ng fake news. Isa ka pa pala, hindi marunong mag-research talaga. Ang reading kiosk na nahandugan ni Vice Ganda na karagdagang reading materials ay initiative po ng mga
Rainbow
magulang
slap.
para may po
Camera the gayat!
mga bata at makapagbasa sa kanilang bakanting oras. Nagpapasalamat po ang LGU Bulusan sa ipinakitang malasakit ni Vice ng LGU Bulusan sa DepEd sa provincial government siguro may siguro kasama na mga plano na lalawigan at kailangan na pagkakalat. Mula pa noon, si Chet Escudero ay naging aktibong taga-suporta ng edukasyon sa Bulusan. Tingnan mo, Vice Ganda. Ayan. Karma inabot sa'yo. Napahiya ka na nagpakalat ka ng fake news dahil nang apak ka sa pamamagitan ng pagyayabang na nagbigay ka. Ngayon, nabuking kung magkano binigay mo, 67,000.
67 again!
Wala pa noon si Senator naging aktibong taga-suporta ng edukasyon sa Bulusan, lalo na nung siya pa ay gobernador. Prioridad niya ang edukasyon noong panahon ng COVID-19 pandemic.
What you watching? Helicopter. Hell yeah. What you watching? Helicopter. Hell yeah. What you watching? Helicopter.
Purong intensyon na matulungan ang ating mag-aaral. Yun, grabe talaga.
What are you doing? Booing.
Ito po ay di umano lumabas na balita para lang malaman natin at maintindihan natin. Kasi wala po itong pamahalaan ng bayan ng Bulusan. Wala po itong nakalagay na specific na tawag dito na checkmark o verified. Pero tinanong na natin malalaman natin yan. Tinanong na
I can't even get April Fool's you up there.
ay lehitimong ayan yan.
I just saw that cookie tutoring.
Verified account para at least malaman natin kung verified. Pero according to the post, mukha na natin verified kasi may mga ng Bulusan. Kapag sumali, makikita natin
TikTok logo.
siguro hindi lang pa nila kasi hindi naman po lahat ng nakaka-verify di ba?
Roblox.
Tulad ko, tagal-tagal dati kong page, hindi pa ako maka-verify ngayon. So, abangan natin yung reaction pa. Kasi Vice Ganda, totoo ba to?
Super Toony Venture.
67,000, 360,000 lang ang iyong binigay.
I
Tapos
hope there's...
pinagmayabang mo pa at dahil
By the
dyan,
way,
dahil dyan,
I might
napapaliwala
be
ang lahat
a
ng
pro.
pagsusumikap ng mga guro at
You
pamunuan ng
might
mga
think I'm
magulang
a
at
pro, but
mag-aaral.
I'm actually
Local leaders, grabe ka talaga, Vice Ganda.
I'm a laser cut
Kagawaran
now.
ng edukasyon, iba pang stakeholders para mabigyan ng kanya kaaya-ayang paaralan ng mga kabataan angkop sa kakayanan ng komunidad. Grabe talaga. Nakakahiya ho itong ginawa ni Vice Ganda. Nakakahiya ho talaga, Vice Ganda. Kasinungalingan mo nga itong sinasabi ng Bulusan na 67,000 lang daw. 67,000.
67,67.
67,360 pesos. Binigay mo, pinagyabang mo pa. Hindi ba? Nakakairita ka, Vice Ganda. Nakakairita ka. Hindi, okay lang naman eh. Kung ganyan lang ang, I mean, hindi naman minamali itong LGU. Yung hindi naman nila minamali. Ang akin lang. Dahil sa pagyayabang mo, tama yung sinabi ng LGU na ito. Diba? Na nabali wala ang...
That's not even real. That looks like a TikTok. That looks like a TikTok.
Napaarlan at walang reading materials sa lugar ni Heart Evangelista.
By the way.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is a proof. This is a proof na talagang sinisiraan si Chis
Bang.
ng mga bayarang
Bang.
ewan natin. Kaya nga tanong natin ikaw ba, Vice Ganda, bayaran ka ba ni Romualdez? At sinisiraan mo si Chis Escudero. Nagtatanong lang kami, nagpo-promote ka pa ba ngayon ng online na gaming mo dyan? Na di umano ay ang shareholder ay si Chis Escudero? Ay, si Chis Escudero, si Romualdez. Sorry naman. Nahalo-halo na. Di ba? So, ano yung tanong natin? Hindi, para lang sa kakaliwanagan natin. Bakit to? Kasi malinaw. Ngayon, ito daw ang tanong natin. Pero bago natin ibigay yung tanong natin, ipakita muna natin yung binigay nating... Yung iba hindi pa sumasagot yung iba pang winners. Ito si ito daw sabi nito, ni Ana Roth, ito daw si Christian Dior Alulod, yung nanalo kahapon. Ayan, may 500 Gcash. Okay. Ngayon naman, yung mga hindi pa, 6 na uyan, na hindi pa, yung nabigyan na natin yung dalawa, yung sumasagot ko ano yung Gcash nila. Sumagot na ako kayo kasi pag hindi nyo pa kayo sumagot this week, wala na. Completed na yun. 100 Gcash. Ngayon, sa question ulit ready kayo Unang 3 makakasagot, may 500 Gcash. Okay? Dapat pala, matik na nilalagay nyo na yung Gcash number nyo. No? Pero wag, antayin muna natin yung mananalo.
By the way, guys, this is my new OSA.
Unang 3
You know my phone's
na
gonna say,
makikita niya na
hello, I'm from Punta Well.
Makikita naman niya dyan, na makasagot, merong 500. Tingnan 500. Okay, eto yung tanong.
Oh.
Hey! Dire-diretso na Magkano ang donasyon ni Vice Ganda doon sa Bulusan? Yan.
Timmy, what the hell?
Bali, wala ng mga pagsusumbat
Russian
ng mga
birds.
magulang.
Hey, Russian birds. Gamnus Timbuza. I hear a funny Russian word.
Guro at ng iba pang local government official. Dahil doon sa pagyayabang niya. Magkano po yun? Total, okay? Yung total.
Hey, bird.
Magkano po? Ilagay nyo na dyan. Okay po Okay, maraming salamat.
Beef chicken!
Uli tayo bukas. Bye-bye.
Nice to... Wow! Now I'm ready for my killing massage. Let me find those stupid freaks. Pew 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 pew. Bro, this has got to be a bug. Wait, what was that blue thing? Dang, why is this glitch
Nina K is her alias.
Happy Halloween, Burper Bada Bean Pets.
On Pina Love, it's a dating app. I just can't
Hey,
believe that a
chicken
woman
gun.
would
Chicken gun. What the hell are you doing here?
believe that she can get away.
You're not
with doing
supposed
what
to
she's
be
doing.
here, stupid
How much
bitch.
money were you able to send her? It was overall it was about
Hey, yo, cucumbers.
about $6,000.
Hey, yo, cucumbers. What the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
Kung sino man po may-ari ng picture na yan, kung halimbawa hindi ikaw si Nina
Hey,
Kay
yo.
at
The cucumber. Hey, yo, cucumbers.
talaga ikaw ay nakausap ng vendor at nagagamit lamang yung picture mo.
Let me catch you. Let me catch you. For a given pick.
Kung meron ka talaga
Not this guy again. Not this
Nina Kay. So your real name is Janice.
Opo, Janice po.
Sabi niyo po kanina sa research, nagamit ng po yung picture niyo.
Opo.
Okay, pero sabi po ni
I
Brandon sa
can't
akin,
play Goat Simulator, so I'm quitting Goat Simulator.
sa video call.
What was that,
Never
Zach?
ko po siyang na-encounter or na video call po siya.
Hey, bro.
Walang video call.
Opo.
Ano yun?
Hey, let me get your burger butter
Kahit
wings.
sa chat po.
I swear to God, I'll give you my strawberry elephant.
Chat sa mga
I swear to God, I'll give you my strawberry elephant. I will give you my strawberry elephant.
Never
Bro, I will give you my strawberry
siya
elephant.
dito sa chat
Opo,
o
never
lalo
po.
pa sa video call.
Opo.
Kaliwas ito sa sinasabi niya.
Opo.
I'll give you my
Kaya nandito po ako
strawberry
para i-clear
elephant.
lang na hindi po ako yung nag-scam sa kanya.
Parang merong identity theft. Ano nangyari dito?
Opo.
So,
I swear to God, developer, I will give you my strawberry elephant.
babae na nakipag-chat sa kanya using your picture.
Opo.
At yung picture na yun, alam naman siguro, pinapanood yung video.
Opo.
Dahil sa picture na nakapagbigay siya ng more than $500,000. Something. Pero din nalaman na merong complaint.
Nung ano po, yung nag-post po sa, ano po, sa
Sure,
YouTube, dun po marami na pong nagsasabi na, uy, ikaw ba to?
Sorry, but I
Picture mo to,
sorry,
bakit
but I
nandito sa
accidentally
po?
swear.
Tapos, halos po
bad.
lahat ng mga kaibigan at nakakilala sa akin, yun po na sinasabi na, paano ka naging scammer? Eh, ang hirap ng buhay nyo, paano makakakuha ka ng ganyang halaga?
Pwedeng malaman kung ano yung work mo, anong
I hope there's no
mo ngayon.
kissing.
Wala po akong,
Oh, what the
Dati
hell?
ka estudyante.
opo, dati po akong estudyante. Varsity po ako dati, tapos na
Yes!
pandemic.
Yes! Thank you!
Paranaque po.
Alright, yung mga picture na
Thank you, bro! Wow!
saan mo?
Yes!
Sa Facebook po.
Anong naging reaction mo and then
Natakot po ako, syempre. Tapos,
Yes, bro! Thank you!
nakatulog kasi po, kinakabahan po ako sa kaligtasan ko, lalo na nag-viral, tapos marami pong musga sa akin. Halos po lahat ng mga kapitbahay,
Supposed to be a freaking girl.
pupunta po sa bahay namin, nakikipag-chismisan kung totoo
Just
ba
still,
yung
because one
na
boy,
scammer
daddy.
po ako.
kapag totoo sinasabi mo,
Dang it, I need to earn more tung money.
sabi niya kasi nakaka-video call ka raw niya. So ito
Hello, I'm from Squid King.
Ito na siya rito.
What the hell is Squid King?
Excited siya makita ka raw.
Sige
Are you
po.
also excited to see him?
Opo, excited din
I have to make, I have to change my
Syempre,
name.
magkaharap.
Paano to?
That jump scared me a little bit, you stupid dimpim.
Paano kung
I'm gonna
nagustuhan
play
ka niya at
fruit playground.
binigyan ka niya, tama pa, hindi ka pala yung scammer, pero nagawin ko na siya sa'yo.
Wala po sir, parang wala po akong balak makipagrelasyon kasi po
You know I got the
boyfriend po ngayon.
spooky forest.
Po, kasi po na yung
By the way, I defeated the Skull Reaper.
ay hindi po ako nakikipagrelasyon.
Okay, that's a different story. So,
Opo.
kung meron kang balak na
The clouds.
vacation sa'yo, we can have.
Did the clouds break up?
Ano po?
Now the cloud is turning into a baby.
Po, kasi nga, takot nga po ako sa ganitong gulo. Nai-stress
Hey!
po. Yun po, yung mental health ko po.
So, bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon niya para
Yes, I escaped the forest.
magbigay ka ng side mo and then maklear yung name.
Okay, papasukin na si Mr. Brendan Lasal para may palawarin natin sa kanya yung sitwasyon. Dito, dapat both sides ay pinakikinggan. Hindi pwedeng kung ano yung sinabi niya, nagpresenta siya ng picture, nagsalita siya, then pakinggan natin.
ting,
Mr.
ting,
Brendan,
ting,
good afternoon to you.
ting, ting.
Before the show, I was able to talk to her. Her name is Janice Chua.
Right.
And she claimed that she's not the person that
Of course she
you've been talking to.
Of course she did. She's definitely the person. She's the model of the whole operation. I've had people come forward, whistleblowers of came forward and told me the whole story. Here you are. Yeah, that's the face that I seen.
Hindi po totoo
I
yan.
broke my mom's expensive metal bar.
Very well.
You told us the last time you were here, you talked to her via video call. So that means you're able to see her face
Yeah.
via video call.
And I have witnesses that have seen her face also. I've done my own investigation.
Yeah, you were able to talk to her via video call?
Mhm.
I'm just trying to be fair here, Mr. Lazar.
Yeah.
That's why she came here voluntarily,
Yeah.
without us asking her to come over.
Yeah.
She was the one who came to us.
Yeah, I know. So you're innocent?
Yeah.
You're innocent.
Yes,
Of course you are. Yeah, naturally she's gonna say that because I have information
and
exactly
TikTok
where her
are always
operation is
like,
being held. I have all the
let's
information. I
play
didn't want to say this on
Goon
air because as soon as they see this,
I
they're gonna
love
run. They're gonna
Gooning.
run. But I know exactly where they
And
are. I
they
know
always
names. I have
say
names of
Goon
the
Toilet
supervisors
is
there.
the
I know
best.
all their
Yep.
names.
If you
Goon
want
Toilet
us
is the
to help
best.
you in
And also cats are kept
this is our work,
saying.
this is our job. We've been doing this for a long time. We'll be
Yeah.
more than happy to do
Well, I
that.
just don't want them to. I don't want them to
Goon
leave.
Because I wanted to.
And
Came
cats
here
always
for-
and cats
To clear my name.
are actually
Ako yung
playing
nakausap nyo at
Goon
saka nag-scam sa inyo.
Can you speak in English?
Simulator Deluxe.
Eh,
And also
di ko
pigeons
kaya
that
sa-
are on the toilets
I thought you
playing
How
Goon
many lives have you
2.
destroyed?
How many times did you talk to her?
A couple times, not for very long.
Military
But
time.
another guy spoke with her for 20 minutes on video call. So
So you talked to her for 20 minutes?
not me, another guy. From her Facebook.
What was that guy?
Assaulted. This guy I met off Instagram.
Complaint on here, sir, so I want you to identify her.
Yeah, I mean,
So the
it's
video call-
definitely her. Yeah, smiling, same smile, same face. This is person. It's her.
So,
Nina K.
Hindi po, sir. Hindi po yan totoo.
sabi niya, nakausap ko sa video call. How long was the
A
conversation?
few minutes, like not very long. She hung up the phone since she didn't get good reception. I don't know if it was her or if it was her syndicate. I was doing a text messaging.
Was the reception good?
Yeah, it was good. It was her.
It was clear?
100%.
Why is
Yeah.
this picture so
I
naked?
know her smile. Yeah, because I said I have a gap too, just like her. That's why. Yeah.
Kung nakita niyo sa...
I have a gap, a little gap in her too, just like
May
her.
mga gap pa sa picture. Okay. Well, dun sa smile. Miss Janice, nakausap ka niya pala.
Three ghosts at the same time?
Hindi po totoo yan, sir. Application.
Are you willing to submit
What
yourself?
happened to Bro's leg? It's still alive.
You sure?
Hey, I'm having goon pics.
That will help if you will submit yourself in a polygraph test. Is that okay with you,
Of
sir?
course.
Okay.
Of course. I mean, she obviously she can tell stone-faced lies. She has no soul. She has no heart. Obviously.
Hindi po yan totoo, sir.
Yeah.
Sit
Honestly,
down.
like it is what it is. You know. That's what you want to be. I gave you a way out. You chose not to take it. So.
Kaya po ako, I came here po, here in Rapid po, to
What
clear
the
my name,
LLL?
na hindi po ako yung scammer na tinutukoy niya.
But what she's saying now, dear Janice, is he was able to identify you so that you could talk to a few minutes.
Yeah, and I
Can you give us the number of those people you said that talked to her over the phone?
well, I have his Instagram profile. Actually, I talked to him on WhatsApp.
So she's already here.
Yeah.
So the best is you can talk to those people that told you that you talked to her.
So this is his number right here. I don't know if he's gonna answer. He's in Dubai, I believe. Where she was supposed to be at.
Who are those people that you talking to?
Yeah, they told her that she lived in Pyrenees. Her family lives in Pyrenees over there in that area. Yeah, no, I know where her family lives. I know where.
You know where the family lives?
Yeah,
Where does the family lives?
in Pyrenees.
Paranaque?
Opo.
Oh, okay. So tumutugma. Sa Facebook mo ba nakalagay doon Paranaque?
Opo.
She works at a syndicate close by. The syndicate of people, the scammers.
Okay.
Everything that she has is a model. It's all fake. Her Instagram, it's all fake. It's to make her seem real, like she's an authentic human, soul. But really, she's just a husk.
How about the voice?
The voice? Yeah, I mean, I don't even remember. She didn't even say that much, actually. It's so long ago now. The conversation was very short. Very short. Maybe she doesn't even remember me. Maybe she do so all the time. I don't know. Maybe she doesn't know.
Yeah, nandito ko sa natin gagawin yan ni Alma.
I talked to her on the phone, but briefly, then I was doing a lot of times. I thought she was just shy. I thought she was shy. I thought she was sweet. I thought she was special. I thought she was different. I thought, she was a unique snowflake.
When you talked to her over the phone,
Yes.
you said,
Yeah.
was the video clear? Was the signal okay?
Well, this phone call and then
No, video
call.
call,
Two video calls.
How many?
What happened?
Like 30 seconds to 2 minutes. I don't even remember.
30
One
seconds
time it was
to
like
2
a minute,
minutes.
another time it was a couple minutes. Another guy said he talked to her
So it
for
was
20 minutes.
okay.
So
So it happened several times, not only
yeah,
once, but twice, three times.
I was texting her every single day. And,
No, I'm talking about the video call, sir, not the text. Because anybody can
Exactly.
pretend and
Yeah.
send you
But her
text.
video call, it was her. Yes, 100%.
So those
and she was
video calls,
smiling and
yes, sir.
saying,
So those
hello.
instances that you were able to talk to her to the video call, you said it was several times. Couple times you speak too. So each time, how many minutes?
Literally a minute.
A minute.
And I used to have her, yeah, a minute. And I still believe her. Yeah. That's how stupid I was, I guess.
So a couple of times, 1 minute, so 2 minutes. There's 2 minutes instances where you talk to her. Was the video clear? The signal was okay?
Yeah, it was perfectly clear. It's really clear. Clear as day. I'm showing her right now. See her face right there. Yeah, that's her. 100%. You have a shadow of doubt in my mind. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Hindi po ako yung sawa. Dahil wala naman po akong trabaho ko eh.
Pero hindi ko tayo magpalagi ko ito. Ibigay ko yung update mo kami. Kasama namin tayo. I challenge her to take a lie detector test and she said yes she will.
Right.
They will accompany her where she lives. And if that polygraph test fails, they will go next move.
Right.
And then go ahead and file a case against her.
I appreciate it. I'm just frustrated right now. I have a lot of information I wanted to give to you before I came on, but, now it's already out there. But, I have a whistleblower that came forward and told me everything. I'm trying to work for the very important.
You feel me? The evidence to put this.
I have it all right here.
Can you see it right now?
You can read the whole
And then we can even go to the place where the whistleblower was telling you, and we can go to right now. That's what we did. So that she was working for the online shopping platform. So this is a whistleblower, this is her tipster. So
Yeah.
you know this person?
No. She doesn't want to be known. And I don't blame her. They could potentially kill her. I don't know. If she makes herself known, I don't know. And that's why I was trying to talk to the police.
How was she able to get the number?
Through Facebook. I made it available.
Ang Senior Professional Cube sa may real meat sarap, nasa resealable pack na. New Nor Professional Packs. Same Nor plus more.
Get the all-in-one experience now, only with Converge Superfiber X. Subscribe now.
Kilala ka rito as Janice?
Opo.
Itong tipster, you identified at meron pa siyang pinagin dito na yung supervisor mo, mukhang lumalakas yung evidence palaban sa'yo. Even before the show started, the tipster already know that you're becoming over, and whoever this tipster is, she already know that you're becoming over and that you'll be identifying yourself as Janice. So how did this tipster know your real name?
Hindi ko po alam, sir. Kasi nag-work din po talaga ako sa Pogo nung February po.
Ah, nag-work ka sa Pogo.
Encoder po.
Okay, so tumutugma dito.
Mm-mm.
Okay, it jives. So, because it says here, na you used to work in Pogo and online shopping platform.
Ay, hindi
And
po.
you admit that you used to be a Pogo worker, right?
Opo.
So, tumutugma. What a big coincidence. This is...
Nag-work po ako sa Pogo nung February hanggang March po.
So, how did this